Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Sony 18105 f4 lens. I'll talk a little bit about the specs while you watch me unbox it on the screen. So this is an E-mount lens for the Sony cameras. It's a PZ lens, which stands for power zoom, which means the lens has an inbuilt motor to operate the optical zoom. This is a particularly useful feature for when you're shooting video because it allows very smooth zooming rather than zooming in with your hand using the ring. And the zoom button is touch sensitive, so the faster you push, the quicker it zooms, and the slower you push, the slower it zooms. And one point to note is that as you zoom in and out, the lens does not change in length, it remains the same, making it a good choice for gimbals and stabilizers. And if you don't want to control the zoom via the power zoom button, you can control it manually just by using the ring. Dimension-wise, the lens is 110mm long, 78 wide, and 427 grams. This lens gives a constant f4 aperture, all the way from 18 wide to 105 medium telephoto, and the aperture range is f4 to f22. The lens takes a filter diameter of 72mm. Its equivalent focal length in full frame is 27 to 157.5. Minimal focal distance is 45 centimeters at the wide end and 95 centimeters at the telephoto end. This lens is an OSS lens, which stands for Optical Steadyshot, and that means that this lens has optical image stabilization built into the lens. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and got something out of it. If you did, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Thanks for watching.